Hey guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you the TV Boss Fire plugin. We already have an embed code that many of you are using which allows you to embed the channels that you build in TV Boss Fire in any web page created using HTML. Because the loading time of a web page is crucial and the majority of users are using WordPress, we've also developed a WordPress plugin that will allow you to import the channels that you build in TV Boss Fire in any WordPress installation so you can display the channels on any WordPress blog post or page. To start, log into your TV Boss Fire account and click the download section, then download the WordPress plugin. After you download the plugin, you need to log your WordPress admin dashboard area, upload and activate the plugin. In the left sidebar, look for plugins, add new and upload plugins. You can either drag and drop the file and install now, or choose a file and then install now. After the plugin is installed, then click activate the plugin. And after the plugin is activated, you'll find a new item in the left side menu, TV Boss Fire. First, you must fill in your TV Boss Fire login, email and password. After that, click submit. You'll see a list of your channels in your account now. And you can import one or all channels as needed. In this case, let's import Todd's channel. Now that the channel was imported, you can click on any of My Channels tab and you will see that the channel was imported. And you'll see a couple of options. In the Edit Link section, you can add your channel store links from the Amazon Channel Store and Roku Channel Store too. The Sync button we recommend using if you update your channel and notice the channel content on your web page is not updated. And of course you have the option to delete the channel. Now let's take the embed code and make a new post. Just add a title, add the shortcode and publish. Let's see how it looks. You can see we have a channel icon, channel description, the channel title, the first video and the slider with all the content. We also added a share button to make it easier for your viewers to share your page. The shortcode works with the same pages. Add a new page. Add the title. Add the embed code, then publish. The design will be slightly different because it adapts to your page's size. Here are a couple things to keep in mind. Now the plugin is tested and built using the latest WordPress security encoding requirements, so ensure that you always run the latest available WordPress version. Let's get back into the settings. And as I said previously, you can add your channel store links from the Amazon Channel Store and Roku Channel Store in the Edit Link section. I'll use Google for now. As you can see here, we don't have any buttons below the content, but if we save this setting and refresh the page, you'll see the Amazon and the Roku buttons. When a user clicks on them, it will lead them to your Roku store link or your Amazon store link so they can install the channels themselves. In the channel settings section, we have a couple more settings that will help you customize and adapt the design of the embedded channel to fit your page color and your branding. The first is the image style. By default, it's a round image, as you can see, but you can make it full width or half width depending on how we need it to see and save the pictures changed. This doesn't look so good. Let's move back to round because I like it better so it looks nice. We also have the option to change the color and the font. Let's say the description, I make it blue so it's evident that it's changed. The date style, let's make it black so we can see the difference. Save. Refresh the page and as you can see the channel title is red, the description is blue and the date changes colour to black. Now if you don't want to show all these elements, you can select not to deliver them. Remember that if you want to add another channel, you must repeat the same process. And you must fill in your email and password and import your channel. Of course, we have a white label plugin for our agency users who also have the white label upgrade. Now let me show you what it looks like after installing the white label plugin version. Contact the live support the white label version and ask for white label plugin, or the white label plugin. The process is the same. Add new, upload plugin, then choose the white label plugin and install it. Activate the plugin. From here on, everything is the same. Log in, make the settings, import the channels. As you can see, it's unbranded, so if you install this plugin on a client's website, for example, to showcase their channels, they'll not know that this comes from TV Boss Fire. And that's it. This is how easy it is to set up and use the TV Boss Fire plugin. I hope it helps. See you in the next video.